Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. Okay, so if you are here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out as well. Okay, so that we can reach more people. And as usual, this section here, just a quick disclaimer: I'm not doing any so-called buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you have your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so we're gonna start our section as usual. We'll start with KRCI Bursa, and then we'll look into some stocks. Okay, if we have some opportunities, right? But unfortunately, yesterday still is a pretty bad market. Okay, for me, lots of counters is actually selling off. So against yeah, if you're still holding some stocks in your portfolio, best is that you want to at least set an alert somewhere around support area. Okay, so you can actually use XIFU apps to help you out as well. If you subscribe to it, you actually get the real-time alerts, okay, through your phone directly. Okay, so at least something that can help you to monitor the market. Like I think in Telegram, some users say that SFP tech, if I'm not mistaken, dropped badly. He holding it. He didn't even realize it. Okay, so yeah, that's what happened. Okay, in the market, unfortunately, because sometimes when they drop, they don't really give you warning one. So it will hit and then it drop further. Okay, at least when you got alerts, it will notify you. Then you can take action immediately. Okay, now again back to FBM Kels. Yeah, yes, even though yesterday we got a small hammer over here, but I still think that it's not a strong enough, okay, to say that okay, market will recover soon. Okay, I hope so. But for me, as long as it's yet to back to 1590, okay, so I will still think that market is not in a very good sentiment. Okay, especially for those that who are looking for short opportunities. Okay, so right now, what I'm trying to share is that it's short opportunity. I know it's a good time for those that who are looking for value investing. Long term is a good time for you to sapu lah. Some say you want to sapu more lah. But today, this section here will probably focus on technical first. Okay, then later on, if you want to, we go into more long term one. Okay, so short term opportunity, I don't think is at this moment is ideal. Okay, because most probably they will want to challenge 1560 and 1550 next. Okay, so be extra careful on that. Okay, so if you want to have a little bit of so-called trending momentum 1590 above, I think will be a good area, okay, for you to, or maybe for me to focus. Actually, I also looking into it. But I do notice that lots of tech counters also drop already. Like I said, I focus lots of tech counters, but they break below support. Now, again, don't rush, okay, even though, yes, probably you can say now it's cheap, everything also. But for me, it's a good time for to watch out for shakeout opportunity. Okay, but today again drop further. So let's say yesterday they actually dropped below support already. Now today drop further. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to enter unless the shakeout completed. So, okay, I hopefully you all know about shakeout. Shakeout actually is quite powerful during accumulation and reaccumulation. Okay, it's a setups. Okay, it's a setups where hello morning Ruku. Okay, I'll look into Westport and Tomeo as well. Okay, thank you for the comments there. So okay, now for those who don't know, shakeout actually happened below support. Okay, so what happens is that normally, if let's say they have a false breakout, which is they cannot break out, they fail to break out further, or maybe sometimes you see shooting star high volume. Normally they will do a shakeout, okay, because this representing the seller at the resistance is very strong, very high. Lots of them is over there. Whenever they try to push, people will sell. Okay, so it's a bit difficult for operator to push further or higher prices. So what they do is that they do this kind of thing. Okay, they drop below support. Sometimes it will create fear in the market. Okay, that creates panic. People sell, right? So this is where they can actually accumulate at the lower price further. Okay, but of course, we want to see a shakeout complete. Okay, because sometimes it's a downtrend. You want to avoid that as well. Okay, so what I do is that normally I will see like the price pushing back to the support area, normally with a greater volume. Okay, that means that people are buying back, or maybe ready to push to a resistance once again. Okay, so something that you want to monitor. So right now, yes, technology is in the shakeout zone. Okay, so I won't want to rush myself to enter because it's cheap. Unless you are really investing, that's different. Okay, different ball game. Okay, so something that normally I rarely do. Okay, I do FA as well, but I combine a little bit of so-called technical analysis, like for example P metal. I quite interested. I think if you follow my Telegram, I keep telling P metal, even Genting M previously, I do share in the Telegram as well. But unfortunately, right now market is like that lah. I still not there to muscle lah. But let's see, like, let's say if back to 5 ringgit, probably I'll take a little bit first. Okay, later on, if let's say market stable already, maybe enter another round again. Okay, so something that most people will do. So okay, now why P metal? Okay, P metal, like I say, I look into the FA. Okay, so this is my partial ski F score. Okay, scoring is 7 out of 9. Okay, I think it's a great FA ratings at this moment. So if I look into the overall chart setups, okay, daily chart, weekly chart, I think they are in a very good position as well. Okay, so if you look into weekly chart, they also like kind of like having a nice accumulation setups. Okay, so next one is 6 ringgit. The main one is 7 ringgits. Okay, so something that I probably can aim in mid to long term. Okay, so yeah, something that usually I do. Not only purely focusing FA, but combination with T as well. So yes, most of the technology, probably like this. Okay, what I can say maybe like this kind of period. You can see here is like a nice accumulation support. Right? Sometimes they will do like shake out before they break. Okay, so this is a area that actually they test patience. Okay, they test your patience, they test your emotion. Yeah, something that I don't like also. Okay, because sometimes you hold already, price drop further, or you cut, then they push back up. So best is that you wait for the shakeout complete. But if let's say got shakeout complete, I definitely will share with you all. Okay, so make sure you join my daily so-called live Facebook over here, my Telegram. Okay, so again, if you like my sections, if you like my daily updates over here, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, and join our Telegram. Okay, now let's go to your stocks right now. Let's try Westport. Okay, we go into Tome. Okay, if you got any other counters, do let me know as well in the comments below. We will look into that. Okay, so okay, Westport. This one very steady. Didn't really impact that much. Okay, now long term, short term. Okay, I don't know how to read Chinese. Sorry. So I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. But okay, now let's see. This one is actually is a reaccumulations really happening over here. Okay, so while trying to break the immediate resistance, okay, break slightly BUSD one. Okay, so I think the trend is still nice. Okay, for Westport. Okay, so well, if you want to counteract the trend, I think okay, no issue. Okay, yeah, this is like a big shakeout. Okay, this is what I mean by big shakeout. Okay, so sometimes shakeout have patience one. So here, for example, this is a nice support. Okay, break below a bit. Okay, break. Okay, so this is what we call shakeout. Okay, so this is a continuation of trend. Okay, now doing another round of reaccumulation. So again, I'm not sure because right now it's at the resistance. It's a bit tricky situation right now for Westport because it's at resistance. So most probably they will retest back to support, weekly support again around 4 ringgit 30 cents area. Okay, and sideways to test 4 ringgit 60 cents area. Okay, so if you're looking for EP, EP now are resistant. Yeah. Okay, what I can say is that in terms of setup wise, candlestick wise, okay, daily and weekly, I don't see any major weakness. Okay, I don't see any major weakness. Okay, so of course, if you ask me, ideal entry will be somewhere around 4.40 cents. Okay, because right now it's like I said, very tricky at resistance. Sometimes I buy already, they pull back to 4.40 cents again. Okay, so if you want to, you can be like me. Okay, like P metal right now is a bit tricky also market. I'm not sure whether it will continue bearish for a few months or maybe reverse soon. You buy a little bit first if you really want to. Okay, you can maybe enter, like for example, you plan 10. If you are planning to enter 10,000, you enter 5K first and subsequent 5K later on. Once it actually pull back to hit support, or maybe it break out. Okay, sometimes what I do is that it break out, you enter on the next pullback. Okay, then I think it would be somehow safer in this way. Okay, so Tome, okay, any other counters you want me to look into? If not, I just go to my stock idea, then we just go to the end house sections. Okay, Tome is a shakeout. Okay, Tome is a shakeout. Okay, again, gold counters, gold prices, okay, going up, right? All-time high, right? If not mistaken, all-time high. Okay, so I think yeah, some of the Malaysia gold counters, it's a bit lagging right now. I think it will be benefited as well. So okay, now why I say it's a shakeout. So here again, if you notice over here, actually got two support area. So this is the first period support area, which is now turned to resistance. Okay, so here also another round of so-called support. Okay, because previously somewhere around here tested 1, 2. Okay, and then the break below. Okay, so this is the able to push back, stay around this zone. So for me, this is like a shakeout. Okay, this is like a shakeout already. Okay, safer 1.7. Okay, safer 1.7. Okay, but I think 1.8, this range also not too bad actually. Okay, not too bad. So immediate resistance area, I would think somewhere around 2 ringgit and 2 ringgit 10 cents. Okay, this area will be your immediate resistance next. Okay, actually also looking into Tome and maybe most probably Pokong, but let's see how. I always don't have luck with gold counters, but I don't know why. But setup is that they're actually having a shakeout. Okay, if let's say 1.7, probably I will try. Okay, 1.7 I will try. Okay, let's look into Gamuda looking for EP. Okay. Okay, Gamuda. Okay, yesterday crossed 2040. All right. Now, this kind of chart usually I don't really. I will be more extra careful. Okay, keep for short term, I think it's okay. Today still got a little momentum going up. Okay, I think previously I do share that I think like last month, last 2 months, is it? Okay, when you see this kind of shooting star high volume, to be careful because of got some most probably they will have some changes in terms of the trend. All right, and yeah, most probably also most of the time, not to say all the time. Okay, most of the time when you see this kind of candle, right, you must expect a little bit of distributions might happening. Okay, so keep it short term. Okay, I will still think that probably they have another round. Okay, maybe to 5 ringgit or maybe over 5 ringgit. Uh, but if you see the next weaknesses, don't hold it too long. Okay, so okay, now let's go back to daily lah. Assuming you're looking for something mid-term one or short term. So okay, at this moment I think it's okay because daily chart cross back to 2040s. All right, so okay, now if you want to, your support should be around this area. Okay, this support too far. Okay, doesn't make sense because this is on a weekly basis. Okay, so you can use my SNR. Okay, resistance yesterday. Oh, today you break the immediate resistance. So support. Okay, this is the lowest 4.32. Okay, so maybe you can use somewhere around this area. The candle, the opening of the candles. 4.4 should be your immediate support if you're really keen and interested. Now, personally, for me, I this is not my favorite cup of tea. Okay, now if you look into like super long, I think this is a very classic stocks. Okay, years ago. This is years ago. Okay, is this super long? I cannot recall. Okay, some not really super long. Super long also classic but yeah, this is something that you have to watch out. Job with high volume, but the one is not job with high volume. Okay, but Hata the other day got it. Okay, okay, let's try Hata weekly. See whether I can show some example. The reasons why most of the time I don't like this kind of so-called candle. Okay, for example, like this one. Okay, when the price started to go up with the wider candles, okay, you notice the candle is very consistently become wider and volumes kind of higher. Sometimes what they do is that they will have another round. Okay, I'm not sure whether they will break here or not, or maybe test here or not. Okay, then they started to sell. Okay, because you have to understand whenever smart money do accumulation, okay, in this kind of phase, right, they accumulate a lot, slowly a lot, cheaper price. Okay, when they started to push, right, of course in between they will sell, but in the same time they have to buy also. Okay, to sustain on the trend. Okay, maybe they sell a lot, buy back a little bit, sell a lot, buy back a little bit. Okay, so in the end they still got a lot. Okay, they cannot sell all at the top. So what they do is that after distribute, they pump again another round before they dump. Okay, so I afraid Gamuda got this kind of pattern. So that's why I say when you see another round of a big sell of high volume, okay, you have to you have to be extra careful already. Okay, so all right, let's go back to daily. So that's my view overall on Gamuda. Okay, let's check back again. So let's say if you want to remain short terms right now, support 4.4. Okay, today break the immediate short term resistance. Okay, so probably next one I can aim around 5 ringgit AVs. Okay, now let's look into 99 speed mark. Okay, welcome Ruku. Okay, Mr. DIY. Okay. Uh, this one actually yesterday we got shared in the Telegram also. So okay, now here, like I say, I thought this is a shakeout, but tak jadi. They push back, drop balik. Okay, okay. Lucky it's not high volume lah. Lucky it's not high volume. Now, if you ask me right now, support resistance, I cannot say it's a very accurate support. Why? Because first, this one just listed around last year, right? Last year now, September lah, 99 lah. So I cannot see a strong support somewhere around here because there's no historical chart to show that. Okay, this is a strong support. Okay, unless maybe you let them to sideways for 1-2 weeks, maybe next week around Thursday, Friday, we can check that again, Calvin. Okay, now resistance wise, I would say here 2.3 is a resistance that need to cross because lots of time they keep this range, not this here. This is a 2.3 area, the resistance area. Okay, immediate one will be 2.2. Okay, so if you ask me right now, support, yes, 2 ringgit is a support. Okay, but I don't see a solid one because left hand side I don't have the history chart. Okay, immediate resistance 2.2, next one 2.3. Okay, so that's for 99 speed mark, but I don't see a very strong setup yet. Okay, for 99 speed mark. Okay, so let's say the review that I'm doing in doing the morning sections is based on daily chart. Unless you tell me that you're looking for long term, I would look into weekly chart. Sometimes I look into hourly chart if the chart is trending or the day itself having a momentum. So, like for example, if some of you actually you are doing short term one, very short term one. Okay, like for example, you only trade for a few percent, 2-3%. Maybe within few hours, okay, probably can share me also because there's a different type of setups again because we need to look into hourly chart or 15-minute charts. Okay, so unless you're telling me you're doing that, you're doing like short terms rebound because now lots of sell off ma. So 2, 3, 4 days sell off, sure we have a technical rebound one. So if you want to catch that, probably can comment also so that I can use hourly 30-minute chart for the review. Okay, so if not daily itself, I think 99 is not that something that I wanted to see and trade. Okay, now YTL, I think they gap out and drop back again. It's a very big gap to be frank because the gap it didn't come with the morning gap out it didn't come with volume. Okay, normally a strong gap is that they gap out with volume one. Okay, if you see gap out with a low volume and the candle remain very small one, normally it's not a strong gap. Okay, normally it's not a strong gap. Okay, so again, not sure. Calvin, you're looking for long term, short terms. Of course, supports. Okay, immediate supports will be here. This is almost 2 ringgit, 1.99 2 ringgit. So yes, resistance will be somewhere around here, 2.41. Okay, 2.41 area. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so main support. Okay, main support. Okay, if you want to buy and hold one, okay, here, this is 1.8. This is your main support. So drop here. Okay, not good. Okay, drop here, not good. Okay, so I also actually avoid already after I see the gap. First is the gap close over here, and then it dropped with high volume. And lately I feel it's also weak, so till now I'm not there to enter YTL. Okay, I feel that the DC teams got a little bit of sign of distribution, so that's why some of the DC related stocks I avoid at this moment. Okay, so I feel that I feel only I might be wrong also. Okay, so unless I see a good setup coming back, then yeah, I'll be more so-called comfortable. Okay, to look for an entry. If not DC right now, I will try to avoid first. Okay, so yeah, there is YTL. Okay, now let's get into Mr. DIY. Wow, Okay, Mr. DI also dropped so badly. Okay, I did not aware of that. Okay, trend wise is not good lah. This is for CH Ang lah. Okay, trend wise is not good lah. Okay, we got volume. Okay, against Ang, assuming you're looking for short term opportunity, I think they have a takeover rebound. Okay, okay, let's see lah. Here, okay, it hits the previous support. Wow, really? Everyone dropped badly. It's like an elephant trunk. Like someone said in the Telegram. Okay, so 1.4 it hits the support. This is a pure support. Okay, pure support area. Okay, we got a shakeout as well below 140 cents. Okay, so if you ask me, short-term rebound will happen. Okay, maybe to 1.6. Okay, so here is the previous support resistance. Okay, so 1.6. And this is, I think, is 1.4. Okay. Okay, another reason why I say it will have a technical rebound, because yesterday it closed with a slightly high volume. Okay, of course the down bar on the Wednesday also some high volume. Okay, some high volume also. Okay, so maybe it will like this, hits, and then retest back and sideways. Okay, doing a big triangle. You means based on this time frame or what? Triangle. I cannot see any. Okay, maybe I use weekly lah. See I can see better or not. Cannot see any triangle. Okay, but anyway, I'm not really good in the chart pattern. All this. Okay, because normally I use VSA more. I use one spread analysis more. Okay, but triangle, I cannot see from here. Triangle. Okay, probably someone can share with me more. Okay, because what I can see is that here, right, the downtrend here still haven't really tested yet. Okay, just that. Okay, right now, support increasing volume. Okay, support will increase volume. It's not the highest volume, so that's why I think they will still continue to test around 1.4 area. Okay, so if let's say you're interested in the range trading, probably is a good one. Okay, to consider. Okay, if not, unless they break above this so-called the downtrend line. Okay, then yeah, probably is more worth it to look into it. Okay, so right now, yes, like I said, maybe we keep it on the range trading area. Okay, so that's Mr. DIY. Okay, any other counters? If not, I go into my so-called my daily alerts. This is live alerts. But I don't see any YTL. Okay, but YTL gap out and come back down. M Siemens, I don't think it's very liquid as well nowadays. Okay. KPJ okay, got pullback. Okay, slow and steady type counters. Sometimes a bit boring, but I guess it's good for those that want to hold for something for long term. Okay lah, nothing much lah. Okay, if nothing much, okay, as I always say, if today market didn't offer you anything, I think it's fine. If your cash is still in your portfolio, I think it's a good sign as well. Like for me also, I exit all my counters already. Of course, some long-term one like Tenaga Rent here, I'm still keeping it. Okay, now I'm looking for P metal for my next long-term opportunity. Probably we'll grab some. Hopefully next week it will drop to 5 ringgit. Probably I'll consider to grab a little bit first. Okay, for my next long-term one, but for short-term one, I definitely exit already. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, we will see next week how it goes. If let's say we got more necessary market, I think it's good also, right? To see at least we got bullet to look for the opportunities. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. Hopefully, my daily morning section will help you a little bit to understand our chart setups or market conditions. As always, if you yet to join my Telegram, join my Telegram. We have a daily discussions over there. If you spot anything interesting, share it with us. Okay, so we have a discussion in our Telegram. With this, thank you, and I'll see you next week. Okay, I'll see you next week.